In this video, I'll show you how to make a PayPal for art commissions. If you're planning to sell art or accept commission payments online, you need to set up a PayPal business account. A personal PayPal account is mainly meant for sending and receiving money with friends and family, but for art commissions, a business account is the right choice. It allows you to accept payments from clients, send invoices, receive international payments, and gives buyers protection, which helps build trust with new customers. To start, make sure you have an active email address that you can access. This email will be used for your PayPal account and for payment notifications. Once you're ready, open a browser and go to paypal.com. Click on Sign Up, and when PayPal asks you to choose an account type, select Business Account, then click Get Started. Next, enter your first name, last name, email address, and create a strong password. Make sure your password is secure and unique to protect your account. After accepting the terms and completing the security check, PayPal will send a verification code to your email. Open your email, copy the code, and enter it on PayPal to confirm your account. After your email is verified, PayPal will guide you through the business setup process. You may see an option to skip this step, but it's best to complete it right away. If you skip it, PayPal will ask for this information later when you start receiving payments, which can delay your commissions. When asked about your business type, choose sole proprietorship if you're an individual artist working on your own. This is the most common option for freelancers and commission-based artists. Now, fill in your personal details, including your full name, date of birth, phone number, and home address. After that, you'll enter your business information. For the business name, you can use your artist name, username, or brand bar. It's present for the cash. Choose the currency you want to receive payments in, such as USD, and select a service category that best matches digital art or creative services. For the website or portfolio section, you can add a link to your social media page, art portfolio, or platform where you display your work. Once all the details are entered, save the information to finish setting up your account. Your PayPal business account is now ready to use, and you can start accepting payments for art commissions. You'll be able to send invoices to clients, receive payments from different countries, and provide buyer protection, which makes clients more comfortable paying you. Before you start accepting payments, go into your PayPal settings and enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security and helps prevent unauthorized access to your account, especially as you start receiving more payments. Since you'll be handling client payments and financial information online, keeping your connections secure is important. For extra privacy and protection, use the link in the description to try NordVPN risk-free at a great price.